Good day, this is African Crypto Warlord coming from sunny side Zambia, which is in the middle of Africa you could say. And today we'll be breaking down some XRP USDT analyses. We'll be looking at 5-day, 3-day, 24-hour, 12-hour, 6-hour. In this certain case we have a 4-hour bullish div that's forming here, which we can see right here. And then we'll drop it down to 3-hour, 90-minute, 45-minute, and 15 minutes. So I'm going to make this as quick as possible, guys. I hope you can stick it out so we can finally see what our new 5-day print that we've been waiting 14 days to happen is going to do. So this is what we demarcated earlier here, was that this region is looking for a bullish div to be set in kind of thing, which will help us protect mean reversion to the downside, thus returns will go up. So that's the general thing that we're looking for. Currently we can see that Shannon Entropy is still in its trend to the downside, but over here is our first little tell, is that we've actually broken the trend to the downside. Why is that? Because this candle close where this candle is closing at the moment, which in 4 days 13 hours, is not below this wick. And as such, it has turned this data around to say that this trend to the downside that we've been monitoring from, let's just call it 39 cents, is starting to come to an end. So we will see what's going to have it continue. Then we're going to see what is supporting us to say that we have levels here in which a bull div can be put in so that our 5-day oscillator can turn around. Okay, so 5-day is looking like it has lost its current trend. Okay, it's come out of its trend to the downside. It is looking to find for new continuation, right? So we'll see if that 5-day gets denied to the downside, but I've been waiting for this moment. I'm in at 3336. I'm happy days. I knew this pullback was coming in. So right now what we have, so 3-day contraction, so 5-day sideways. 3-day is still saying a little bit more down, but it's losing its slope. So how long until we close? We've still got a half of a 3-day to go. So 1 day and 12 hours. So 5-day sideways, 3-day more to the downside, but looking like it's going to move into a sideways price action. By sideways, we know that it's going to print a doji. Okay. So expansion, nothing here. So we have expansion on our entry fee. So we're looking to grab a new trend. We're above our daily mean. That seems right on. Contraction, negatively correlated. That's what's giving us our float up. So 24 days, looking, the last time we caught it was down in here when we mean reverted through our outlier regions. We came in, we hit that, and now we're moving up into our mean reversion on our 24-hour, which is technically a biggish move, considering that this was just the outlier that came off of the 24-hour move. So now we're going to go look at what the 12-hour has to say. Is the 12-hour sloping with the bullish on the 24, or is it going against it? And currently our returns say that it's going to start decreasing in size, these candles. Okay, on the 12-hour we have some contraction positively correlated. That's giving us our negative drag down. We literally have 52 seconds until we print. So let me go pick like a nice time frame. Let me see if I can shuffle in there quick in 45 seconds. So 6 hours contraction, that's float up. That's looking for a mean reversion point. We're at our daily mean over here. Okay, at our daily mean over here, that's going to support this for a bullish div, which helps and supports our 3-day and our 5-day bullish divs that are forming there. So 3-hour coming up. Let's see if we can do that. So 3-hour also looking like the 6-hour contraction negatively correlated. That's going to float up into mean reversion. So let's go looking at a target 3588. Just off of that, anyone to cap us out, 3588. So there's a few levels to the upside. Okay, so we have our weekly mean. I think it is over here. Oh, a monthly mean rather. So this is a very big magnet. So I would say by the end of the week, 3560 needs to be failed in order for us to continue a bearish trend. If we close the 5-day above 3650, we'll be well on our way. Okay, so we've printed in on our new guy who we're saying there's our 3-hour div starting to form. Okay, there we go. Our flashes are off. Let's see our Shannon Entropy. Shannon Entropy is now looking to kick up. This is currently sideways. So this 3-hour candle that just printed is sideways until this Pearson correlation mean reverts. And these two are both the same colors. Then when we have that, we can look for some good continuation out of this range into Friday, and then maybe see what the weekend has to do if she wants to pull back Okay, so returns are starting to go to the downside. Contraction significantly negatively correlated. That's definitely going to float us up. So 90-minute is helping. Also mean reversion to the upside. 45-minute, that's happy days. We've lost a trend to the downside. 45-minute, let's see if we can scoop this around. There comes big orders. There comes big orders. Is it enough to flip it around? Not yet. Not yet. Okay, let me make that big screen. So big orders coming into the book. Significant correlation to the upside. That's what we just heard. That's what they're going to be pushing for. There's some more big orders coming in now. Let's hear. So what are the size of these orders? We got 5K. What have we got? We got 26K. We got 18K. Okay, cool. So there's a little bit of activation up in this region here. Some guys looking to follow in on the trend. That is actually a negative signal, considering that both of these are up, but the next print in 28 minutes is going to make this confused. So this could also be a doji. So there's a lot of volatility looking to zero out from this moment so that we can pick up on a trend because of our 5-day. Because our 5-day has printed, we're now going to go chase all these other levels to make sure that volatility is zero. And once that happens, we're going to get the 5th flash on our 5-day AVR, and then we can put up a distribution cone. And we happy days. Then we don't have to worry about if price is going up or price is going down, where price is going, because we have relative targets. Over time, easy. Everyone's like, it's so hard to time the market. It's like, no, on November 28th, if all goes to then XRP can be at 5 cents. But if everything goes right, it could be at $4.28, right? So why panic about that? Yeah, you can lose a lot of money, but let's not have the crypto stress with us when we know what the probabilistic ranges are going to be. Okay, so mean reversion to the upside, 15-minute playing through contraction. That looks like a small drag. Now let's go shuffle up. This analysis looks done, so let's go look for some levels and demarcate some levels. So mean reversion, if we start failing any of these levels to the upside, this is our magnet to start forming bullish divs to keep us pushing up into the weekly mean. If we fail this red line, you'll more than likely see us come down and try touch the bottom side of this red line. So if we fail 3449, we'll be down to touch 03372, and what will stop us are these two mean reversion points in between. What we can see here is we have a bunch of magnets to the upside. Okay, so on daily, let's see, 30, 40 minutes, 1 hour and 45 minutes, 1 hour and 30 minutes after daily print, we've pretty much been down here for at least 80% of the time. Okay, so now is our push up to our weekly means. This will be a region that you can set in a bear div. If you wanted to set in a bear div line will be over here. Okay, so now we're gonna go have a look at our return oscillator, see what the situation is. Everyone's been reverting to the upside, so let's go throw this on the 21-day. I feel like we have a 21-day print that has come out, given with all of this. That is super flashy. Okay, mean reversion to the upside, happy days. When did we get this print? 20th of August, and the next one closes on the oh, that's now. Okay, cool. So blue flashes off, hit our outliers. Shannon's not going to show us too good right now. That's happy days. So this is sort of what I've been looking at. So for the next 42 days, we're going to try push for an outlier if it's super bullish, and then when this touches, there could be a big run. Our mean reversion is printed through, so to me this is upside. My general rules are 2 closes above the JMA and we continue up. And your pullback is at 32.30 cents. Okay? So 0.3230 cents. That will be the drastic wick to the downside so that everybody panics, get you out of your buy order, get you selling at the low, and quickly little volatility flip to catch you out. So I hope this was helpful. Let me put on the 90-minute and then we can get some cool targets just for this current reg. So 90 minutes. Let's put up some targets quick. Okay. VRE level on. Reverse wave trend on. Okay. See what our reverse wave trend is, and then we'll see if we're basing off of that. Come on. VRE off. Reverse wave trend on. Today. Anyway, it doesn't matter. There we go. Cool. So happy days. Reverse wave trend. There's your bear div we were talking about earlier. Can be set here. Reverse wave trend. If we close 1 or 2 candles above, be it on a 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, we'll definitely be extending our range to 3559. Okay. If we fail this region, we're coming back to our daily mean. So right now we have 5-day volatility that is looking for direction. Okay. We have 5-day volatility that is looking for direction. And once that happens, I'm sure we'll have all of these guys flashed out. And then we can put up a dizzy cone. But yeah, so we're going to go visit our daily mean. We're going to go look at our weekly mean. And yeah, if we fail weekly mean, continuation to the downside. That's your weekly mean. That's your monthly mean. As you can see, these are two previous market structure areas in which you can fail at. So I hope this was a helpful day. Helpful analysis. We're just waiting for range breaking. So let's just sit it out. Our 21 day says we're bullish. Ciao, Bella.